Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss lesson 6 and the topic is Indian political features. We know that there are 7 continents in the world and India lies in the southern part of the continent Asia. It is so large that along with its neighbors it is called a subcontinent. Do you know what is the meaning of subcontinent? A subcontinent is a large area of land that is a part of continent. India is surrounded by Arabian Sea on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. India is also the second most populous country in the world. We can see neighboring countries of India here. There are 9 neighboring countries of India. They are Pakistan and Afghanistan lie to the west and northwest. Bhutan and Nepal and China also are in the north. Bangladesh and Myanmar are located to the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives are in the south. India is a large country as well as in population. We have a union or central government at the center with its capital at New Delhi. The central government sets the laws and rules for the entire nation. The President of India is the head of the country. The Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers at the central government look after the welfare and progress of the people. The President, the Vice President, the Prime Minister, other ministers, and the officers of the central government live and work in Delhi. It is difficult for one central government to look after the law and order in each part of the country. Therefore, India has been divided into smaller areas known as states and union territories. India has 29 states. Every state also has its own capital and each state has its own elected government. State government has all the important officers such as the governor, the chief minister and other ministers. The governor is the head of the state. This is the list of states and their capitals that you can see in your book and you need to remember this properly. Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in India. There are some parts of India which are not included in any of the 29 states. They are smaller than a state and looked after by the central government, known as union territories. There are 7 union territories. Their names are Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Puducherry and National Capital Territory of Delhi. Among these, Andaman and Nicobar Island is the largest and Lakshadweep is the smallest island. The people living in different states and union territories of India speak different languages. They have varied customs and traditions. Even then, they all are Indians. Every Indians love their motherland and our country can be called the land of diversity.